Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on auto brightness in our Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to on your auto brightness mode setting in your Tecno phone. So friends, how can you on your auto brightness in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all guys subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting and let's scroll. As you can see that display brightness setting friends, tap here. And guys, how can you on guys your auto brightness? So friends, you can see this second option guys, adaptive brightness guys, we call it auto brightness. So friends, you want to on, and guys now you can see that brightness has increased 100%. And guys after on guys, you can see brightness decrease automatic guys, because guys I am in the room when I will go outside, so my brightness increase and decrease automatic. So like that guys, you can on guys your automatic brightness mode, means auto brightness in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.